Hey, today we are gonna see a top AI tools that's gonna make your life easier. Also, it's gonna make you rich. Let's begin. First, ChatGPT Writer. So it's completely free. So you just go to the ChatGPT Writer.ai and install this extension. You can just add this extension to Google Chrome. Once you install this extension, you can do miracles on your email. Let me show you. He just shared a video with me, so I wanna reply to him. I can just click this button and say reply to this email and click generate. So the ChatGPT writer, it's gonna generate this email for me. That's it. I just have to write my name and I can just send it to him. Of course, I have to click insert response. The next one is PepoRecord. Go to PepoRecord.com and sign up to a new PepoRecord. And you can record your screen or audio or camera or screen plus audio. You don't have to install anything. It's completely free. You can just click anything. Once you record a video, a download button or copy share a link button will appear here. So you can either download your video or you can just click and share a link so anyone can watch your video with that link. The next one is Microsoft CoPilot. So CoPilot can do millions of things. It can analyze Excel spreadsheet, or it can make a PowerPoint presentation based on your instruction, or you can even, if you're using Microsoft Teams, it can summarize the meeting for you. It can even create notes and action items, and you can even ask the Copilot to make a PowerPoint presentation based on action items of your meeting. Also, like, it can respond to your emails or create a Word document. The next one is 10Web. So, in the past, people used to spend thousands of dollars to create a website. With WordPress and Wix and all, you can make a website like by yourself. You don't need to know any coding or anything, but still, it's gonna cost you time. But with 10web.io or durable.co, you can generate website just with a click. It can make a full-blown website based on your instruction. It can do everything. It can even optimize the speed, and it can do anything for you pretty much just for $13 per month. So but it's gonna save you hundreds of dollars and hours of your time. Either one of them should be fine. The next one is OpusClip. So what it does is it can take a very long video and it can generate 10 or 20 viral clips. You don't have to do anything. It can do it automatically, or also it can add caption to your video. You don't have to hire any video editor. It can do pretty much everything a video editor can do. So these are the top tools that I want to talk about. Please leave in your comment what tool did you like the most. Thank you.